Well, hello. Happy Monday. Let me get centered here. Hey, so I am so lucky that I get to jump on today and show you a couple more close looks at some of the new product that we have being released on August 1st for our fall winter release. Now, before I get started, we had some winners from Friday's Win It Before You Can Buy It live video that Jen did. So let me announce those winners. And the product that we showed on Friday was the birthday pack, right? The birthday card kit, paper pack, which creates 10 birthday cards because everybody can use birthdays. And then we have a new a la carte coming out, which is so cute, on cards, layouts, DIY crafts, all the above, however you wish to use it. And then we even have a new tiny border being released, which is a great addition to your combinations of designer templates. So, hello guys, thanks for saying hi. So, the lucky winners, drum roll. Okay, so the birthday pack, it goes to Bertha Looters. Bertha, congrats, give her some loves, yay. Okay, and then the cheerful tiny border, the winner is Risa Novak, and the gift a la carte goes to Melanie Hakey, that could be a key, A-K-E-Y. So congratulations, you three. You guys are lucky winners. Please email support@kiwilane.com with your address so you can claim these prizes. And we have some more goodies to give away today. Yay! All right. So the ones that I'm going to be showing you are actually two of the products that we are releasing that, yes, are perfect for school pictures. Now, whether you have kids that are still in school, I bet you have, well, I'm just going to assume that we all have stashes of school pictures that are still needing to be documented, or you pulled the old ones down from the wall and you need something to do with those. By the way, I think scrapbooking 8x10s are so much fun. Maybe we'll do a focus on that. Side note. All right, so here's a close look at the new double layout paper kit. Can you guys see that? The glare, I should check that. There we go, okay? It is so much fun, and I'll tell you right off the bat, what I love about this paper line is that I honestly feel like the designs are great for K through 12 and maybe even college, like beyond, right? And so they're a lot of fun. They definitely have your more primary colors, but the designs, look how cute. So you definitely have just a little bit more of that sketchy, great for teens, as well as like kindergarten, graduations, things like that too. Okay, now let me show you this other one so you can see how these layer together. Look how cute. So there's another fun pattern that is great at supporting that one, or you could of course just do a really cute layout there. And then look at the yummy colors on the back. You see those? Aren't they just so fun? Perfect for this school and backed, and just fall in general. I just love these colors. All right, there we go. So this one has graduation caps on it. Great one there. We got like this supporting stripe. Sorry, I'm like making sure I can see that, but I'm getting it close enough because I want to give you guys a good look at these colors and patterns. See, just so much fun. Love them. So you got that nice texture and contrast between the patterns. And then even these ones, so you get a little half sheet because we weren't sure which one to give, but we again wanted to give a little bit more. If you wanted to go really heavy, like more of the learning, you know, look how cute those could be. Or you could do like your stripes. Now, say you have, because our double layout kits can create two-page layouts plus, okay, because they come with 11 sheets. Like honestly, I just played with the My Guy over on the live Friday crop that we did in the Play to Create with Kiwi Lane group. And we went ahead, it was a late night. I don't know how many of you guys joined us, but it was a late night. I created a 2-page layout the first live, and then we jumped back on and we did a second 2-page. And I have enough to even create, I'm gonna do another 1-page with my scraps and sheets that I have left over. So I was able to create two 2-page layouts and one pager. So plenty. And I probably could create a card too. We'll see. I haven't gotten that far. Anyways, so what I was gonna show you guys is like, yes, this specific layout paper kit is called School Days, which by the way is so cute. Look how cute that is. Lots of you guys, by the way, take this little insert and you use this on your page. I've seen a lot of you guys doing that with like the Kiwi Club kits, and that's such a great idea, using that as a title on your page too. Using multi-purpose here, right? Okay, so I was gonna show you this other pattern. Okay, so look how cute this just floral print, right? On the back, it has a really fun skull, so take advantage of that double pattern. The whole reason of double-sided pattern is to give you variety, because we all have different needs, so definitely just get that variety there. But what I was going to show you is this flower pattern. Say you wanted to just do a spotlight of someone in your life, or you know, you're taking fall pictures outside. Look how pretty this would be. Look at. So really, you can use this in multiple different ways. I love that. Like these layered together would be so, so cute. And then you could throw some of this red in, maybe some flowers. You know, you could throw in the pumpkins, right? You guys seeing this, right? Yeah. I'm here anxious about what you're going to say. What do you mean? So these are really, really cute, Tammy. So, and then of course, if you wanted to go more of that school theme, then you got this too. So just a lot of different ways that you can do that, right? Okay, so I already showed you guys all those. Let me get through the rest of them. Oh, and I showed you those. Oh, I already showed you that one. Okay, I've got all of those. Okay, I'm gonna leave the title card sheet for last. And then of course, our double layout kits come with 2 suggestions sheets that you can use for your background page. Here, let me flip that over. That always helps when you want to try to see it. So you got this like light blue and then this kind of cream base if you like that like more white look. And it just depends on how dark your pictures are and things like that. But you get 2 of them, so they're double-sided variety options here, right? And then, sorry, I'm trying to make sure. Sherry says, I've been sorting my thousands of photos for the last few days. I have the perfect picture for this kit. Exactly, you guys can start planning ahead. Get your photos prepped and ready. If you don't have some printed, print them, all the above. Love that. It's a fun kit. Okay, and then here's your other background sheets. So you get this 2 different blue shades here, and you can see that like texture on these. So they give that nice contrast texture, but allow all these fun patterns to pop. And that's what gives you that nice coordinated layered feel if you want to, or you can go simple, but we've been through all that. Just variety, guys, just the variety for all different aspects of people's needs. Now, then here's your title card. Same thing. I think variety is like the key word here. I've said it like 20 times. Anyways, but again, I always like to point this out because most likely you're not going to use all these title cards, which is why, again, you have double-sided. But everybody's going to have a different need. So most likely you're going to find one of these cards that you can really pull on. Or you can add your own title. Again, referencing back to the live video we did on Friday. That was a lot of work. Who joined me on that live Friday? I'm just curious if any of you guys joined me on that. So, okay, so here is a look. It says like just some title cards. So look how cute. Just a title, like take note. I didn't flip my thing, so I can try to do that really fast. Oh, or not. Yeah, sorry. I guess it's not showing up for some reason. Hello, Facebook. Anyways. Oh, there it is. Oh, now I have to follow through. There we go. Okay, now you guys should see them, right? So you have this, the value of an idea lies in the using of it. Okay, and then you have this really cute word search. How many of you guys have word search? Do you guys love word search? Just out of curiosity, my husband loves them. My daughter Lacey and my husband David will do word searches all day. But I thought it was just so fun on using it on like a scrapbook project, because you could just take one of these Great Job or Smarty Pants, like if you wanted to highlight something just specific, like maybe they were like earned like a school award and you took pictures of it and you wanted to document how they earned that award in school, right? Then you can just like circle only the words like great job or super cool, right? Or you can just search them all and just find them all and add the word search. So It's a little word search to go along with your scrapbooking. Kind of fun, right? Yes. Shauna says, I do word searches. Word searches are very relaxing too, in a way. I agree. So those are like, great job, smarty pants, back to school, be smart, you did it, you rock, star student, super cool, and be kind. Now I'm curious to see how many of you guys that are word searchers, you know how sometimes you can find words that aren't even on the list? Now I'm wondering how many of you guys can do that. Challenge, anyone up for it? Find a word that wasn't listed. All right, think like a proton, always positive. The tassel was worth the hassle. Be your best self. So see, like very general, so that if you wanted to go more of that flower pattern and then do another layout that's like a school theme or both school theme, the variety is there for you to have the option. You can change the world, just very motivational. Too cool for school. Education is not learning and facts, but the training of the mind to think. I'd rather be reading. Okay, how many of you guys are readers? Because that's my kids. Thankfully, my husband taught them the love of reading. Honestly, I wish that was something that was ingrained in in me more. So I think it's just a great skill and habit to have personally. But I think my daughter Abby's phone message says, sorry, I can't enter my phone right now. Most likely I'm reading a book. Yeah, they're silly. Yes, exactly, other than school. So just keep that in mind. If you've been seeing this and your instructors have shown you or whatever, and again, it says school days, but if the color palette, I promise you're gonna be able to create something really pretty with it. I can't wait to create with it. I didn't actually get to create anything with this kit yet. The samples were made. It looks like Amy created this one, and this really re-highlights, again, what I was showing you guys about like K through 12. Like, see how perfect, like, and we're talking, I think those are preschool kids, or preschool pictures of her kiddos. But then, like, see this one? Shiloh, that's high school graduation of her daughter, Clara. So just so much fun ways that you can use that. Now, talking about that, let's take a look at this new designer, right there, designer templates. You see them being used on this layout. So I love, love, love this new accessory set. So much fun. And we are gonna be picking a winner. I'll throw it out there. So just like all the other win it before you can buy it videos, we're gonna pick a lucky winner and we'll announce them tomorrow for this double layout kit, and we'll pick one for this accessory set too. And you know, I think we should go, I always love reading what you guys share, just so you guys know in the comments. It's not just for you guys to like